Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can turn off PlayStation 5 voice assistant. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So as you can see guys right here, you're gonna find your applications and games. If you go here to the right, you're gonna find game library. And right here, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. Here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games and media. And here on the right, you're gonna find search, settings, and here you're gonna find your profile icon. So right now, I'm gonna click on settings. And then once you go to your settings, here you're gonna find accessibility, network, users and accounts, family and parental controls, and so on. So right now, go ahead and click on accessibility. And then once you do that, right here, you're gonna find display and sound, screen reader, controllers, closed captions, and lastly, chat transcription. So right now, go ahead and click on screen reader. And if you find this option on, go ahead and turn it off. So basically guys, this is the option for voice assistant. Just go ahead and turn it off and then you're good to go. So once you do that, just go back and then right here, if you want to adjust your voice settings, just go ahead and click on sound right here. And then once you're here, you're gonna find microphone, audio output, 3D audio, and so on. Go ahead and click on microphone, then make sure you choose your microphone. Here you're gonna find the option to adjust your microphone level. Here you're gonna find microphone status when logged in and microphone status when starting voice chat or broadcast. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.